The latest version of the Duster marks a significant step forward for a model that has become synonymous with practicality and value. Launched in 2010 and revamped in 2017, the Duster has consistently set benchmarks in its segment. The 2024 model continues this trend, embodying the company's commitment to durability, style, and environmental responsibility. Gone is the familiar 1.5-liter DCI diesel engine, replaced by a more eco-friendly option. The new Duster comes with a 1.2-liter, 3-cylinder TCE 130 engine. This turbocharged power unit operates on the Miller cycle and integrates a mild hybrid system. You can choose between front-wheel and all-wheel drive, coupled with a 6-speed manual gearbox. This engine setup reduces fuel consumption by about 10% compared to its non-hybrid counterpart, while also enhancing performance. A major update for the Duster is its new hybrid engine, borrowed from the Jogger wagon. This system merges a 1.6-liter engine with 2 electric motors and a 1.2 kilowatt-hour battery. It also features an automatic transmission. One electric motor generates 49 horsepower, and the other acts as a starter generator. Notably, the Duster Hybrid 140 begins each journey in electric mode, contributing to its efficiency. The French company claims this hybrid model slashes fuel usage by an average of 20% and up to 40% in urban settings. In city driving conditions, you can expect to be in electric mode around 80% of the time, showcasing the vehicle's eco-friendly prowess.